Horizon, there's not a cloud in the sky, but I can tell there's something stirring. The only thing to say is hold on tight. There's a storm coming, bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, there's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. I've never run away from trouble, and I've never hidden from a fight. More than a few have tried to stop us. Notice how I said that they all tried. There's a storm coming, bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, there's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. I like how you have that umbrella up there so you don't get moonburn. You got that sensitive skin. There's a storm coming, bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, there's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. Yeah, we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. Yeah, we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. I'm Jason Michael Carroll, everybody. This is Jason.